Ever feel like building software is kinda like assembling a team of superheroes? Each one has a specific power. They all do their thing and together they save the day. That's my friend is a microservices in a nutshell. And in this playlist, we are diving into the real power moves that make microservices just awesome. We are talking about design patterns like the gateway pattern, the saga pattern, the circuit breaker, and a bunch more. But don't worry, this isn't some dry textbook stuff. I will break everything down with real life analogies, like how booking a vacation is just like a saga, or how your services need their own kitchen to avoid stepping on each other's toe. If you are a developer, architect, or just curious how modern apps stay so fast and reliable, this series is for you, my friend. So, if you are ready to build apps that are scalable, resilient, and honestly pretty cool, stick around, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let's nerd out on microservices together. This is the Microservices Design Pattern series. Let's explore something awesome.